Okay, so uh, so everyone, welcome for this webinar. My name is Rahul, and actually today the agenda of this webinar is giving you the demonstration of WhatsApp integration with the uh, vTiger. So in this webinar, we will going to show you the couple of things. One implementation which we did, that was WhatsApp group management. So where you can copy your groups to the leads or contact of CRM. Another one is WhatsApp analytics. It is like it gives more in-depth analytics of the message which is sending out from the system. So either it's send receive statistics or broadcast or chatbot statistics. It means like it's give you the overview of how many messages has been sent in a day, week, or a month, and how much message has been read by the customer and all. So based on that, you will do the further operations on the messages and all those things. Also, there is an option where we did some modification in the notification area, where uh, it will display the correct notification count which was having the problem earlier. Also, like we had provided easy view and access of the WhatsApp template messages. So these are all the features and function which is being implemented in this webinar. So let me share my screen and let me go to the WhatsApp. So this is the analytics reports which we implemented in the WhatsApp message. So you can access it from here. So when you click on the notification icon, the second last icon is for the analytics. So basically in analytics, there is a three types of analytics. One is send receiver statistics. It means like uh, if you are sending one-to-one message to the customer, it will display analytics like this. So it has the multiple option like finish chat. It means like any chat where you don't have your reply is not pending, right? So if customer send a message to you and once you send a message, it's considered as in finished chat. Pending is something where customer send a message but you did not send reply back to them. Another one is like sent message. So how many message you sent. Receive message is how many message you received, and the total message. So send and receive count is will be displayed like this. Okay, and this is the pie chart, like how many messages is sent by day. And here there is option like use today, yesterday, this week, last week, and all the time, right? And also here you can select the number, like from which number you want to see the statistic. This is the scanned WhatsApp number, right? So from there you will see show the statistics to the customer. And so for example, if I want to see the statistics for this number, you can see this here, right? So this is a nice implementation but done by the CRMTiger team, where you can see all the statistics of one-to-one communication, right? Now next is the broadcast statistics. So broadcast statistics is something where you will going to, if the campaign which has been sent from the system, and that campaign you will see how many message has been sent and received, sorry, how many message has been sent and how many messages read and all. This was the earlier implementation. We added few more things here, like how many messages is been sent. This is the total of all the campaign has been sent, right? So for example, right now we have only one campaign, but tomorrow we had 2 or 3 more campaign, or if we are sending a mass message, right, to multiple campaign, then this will show the total of that, right? Also you will filter it like all completed, in progress, or hold, or whatever, right? So this is how the broadcast statistics would display. Chatbot statistic is something where it gives the analytics of all the chatbot message which is sending out from the system. Right now there is no message or chatbot might not be enabled, so it's display like that. And you also see the analytics for per chatbot, right? So if you have a multiple chatbot, you will see all the analytics like the performance of the chatbot here, right? So this is basically the reporting and analytics which we implemented inside the WhatsApp extension, which we will going to release uh, in this week. Okay, now next is, and it's very important things, is like if I click on the WhatsApp. So a couple of more implementation is like based on the feedback from the customer, we added the beep sound where user can unmute and mute the beep sound if it's annoying them, or if they don't like to have the beep sound continuously message if any new message or something has been received. Okay, and this is just something where you can clear all the notification messages. So it will use to clear all the notifications, so you can count the notification from one. So let me go to the WhatsApp timeline view. So in a WhatsApp timeline view, we modified the way how it used to send a message. So we change the interface. Also in this, we also provide drop down menu for the templates. So uh, you can keep maximum 5 template as a quick template. So you can choose any template, and when you choose the template, it will automatically display the message like this. So you don't have to go to like this. Previously we had like, if I click here, it will display the template and select the template and select then stand. So it is multiple trips. So we change it to have like most used 5 template. So it will be easy for agent where they can simply select and send a message. Okay, so this is related to the WhatsApp. Now let me go to the group. So I'm going to the group. So in a group, we have a new implementation here, right? So this is from, let me select, okay, another customer. So these are all the list of the group. Now in a group, let me choose, okay. So consider like this is one of my customer, and these are all the number associated with that group. Okay, so right now the member of the group is 7. This is the new implementation we did, where you can save all the contact associated with the group to the system. So if I click save here, right, it will open a pop-up, and here I have to select the leads that I have to copy all the 7 contacts from leads to the system. Now it will ask you like which fields you have to save the name. So I select last name. So what we did is like, if any contact doesn't have the last name, then we use the tilde sign, and tilde sign will store in a last name. And here, like, copy to WhatsApp number. If I select the mobile phone and hit save, so all the contacts of the group is now saved to the system. So if I click here again, right, you will see like, all contact has been saved. Now if I open this contact in a new window, you will see that this will going to create as a leads in our system, right? So it means you can copy directly all your participants of the group to the CRM, and you can do further marketing with them. So this is very important features, to copy all the contact instead of copy from the WhatsApp one by one, which is very time consuming job. So we make your life very easy, where you can just copy all the contact in a one click. And for example, in a WhatsApp, it's allow like 1024 as a maximum contact to the groups. So you can copy all those contact in a single click to your CRM. for the marketing. Okay, so this is the implementation which we did for a group. And also, like, this, if you have a multiple WhatsApp number, it will going to, if you have a multiple WhatsApp number, it will going to have this multiple number here. So if you select any number, it will display the group associated with that number. Okay, we are also going to release in a next, where it will display the profile photo of the groups and all those things. So that will be in next update. So this is the implementation related to the groups. That's what we did. Okay, now let me go to the all message. Okay, so now the another implementation we did here is, like, it is not visually displayed to you, but we did some improvement in the performance by changing the underlying database structure. So if you look, like, if you see, like, if I click in a WhatsApp timeline view, in a fraction of the second, it will load entire timeline view, because we changed the underlying structure of the WhatsApp timeline view, where you can manage all those things through that. Next is, like, based on the feedback from the customers and all those, what we did is we implemented when the customer send a message, if the number is associated with the multiple agents, then there was a problem earlier, like, the message which received from the customer would be assigned to which users. So based on a lot of brainstorming and all those things, finally we decided to things like, when the message which is received from the customer, it would by default assign to the associate content users of the associate content. But if the sender from the system was the different than the associate contact, then that chat message will be assigned to that particular user who sent a WhatsApp message. So this is all kind of implementation which we did for a WhatsApp, and we are going to release this, I think, this week, so you can get the access of all the latest version and stuff which we had with the WhatsApp. So this is all related to the WhatsApp. And regarding the boards, we did not make any upgrades to the board, but moving forward, we are doing the more updates to the boards, where you will get the facilities of many other implementation which we are going to do further with the boards. So that would be a next upgradation plan for the boards. So this is what we have with the new updates in a WhatsApp. Let us know if you have any question. You can ask a question in a question board. Okay, so the question from the Sarah is like, now the WhatsApp sound notification are independent for each user. Yes, WhatsApp notification is individual for each user. Also, I forget to show you, but let me show you one more implementation which we did. So basically, many customer don't want some of their user to send mass messages, right? So because that is a very critical option and things where it will not send out the unnecessary messages from the system to the customer or list. It will only allow to send mass message to those users who has the rights to send. So we provided an option here where which user will going to send a mass message. So whatever the user you select here, will only those user will going to send a mass message. So that is one implementation which we did. Okay, so let me see what is the, just a second, next question. So yes, it is possible to finish a chat. You can finish a chat. Let me just a second. Okay, I can see the message now. So the first message from the Sarah was like, when all update will be available. It will be available by this week. And next question was like, so now the WhatsApp sound notification are independent for each user. Yes, WhatsApp sound notification independent to each user. Yes, the error number notification is also been fixed in this release, so you will see it. And is it possible to finish the chat or not? I think I'm not sure I understand the question, but what I understand is like, if that is for the chatbot or something. Yes, but needs to clarify, like, okay, so you can ask more question like that, like, okay, so for a manual conversation, if you are talking about the finish the chat, right? So what exactly, yeah, so what exactly you are looking at, like, finish the chat? So, oh yeah, that is not for the finish the chat. It is just for the clear the chats. I mean, the clear the notification. It's not for a chat. That icon, this icon, I think you are referring this icon. This is for, okay, okay, just a second. Let me answer the question one by one. So Chris, okay, Sarah, just give me a few minutes. Let me clear the dubs from the other people. So Chris has a question like, how do you automatically name the customer? I saw that dollar names just code just now. Okay, so basically, um, that is coming from Chris. That is coming from the template. So when you send a message, we are sending that message to the database, and database will replace with the actual name. So when the message has been sent to actual customer, it will replace automatically because we have that things available. Okay. Next question is from David. So David, your question is like, can I install this plugin on a VT that has also the VT Expert plugin pack plus ATX? Yes, you can do it, but for that you need a help of our support team, because VT Expert extension is encrypted and that's required IronCube to be installed. And hopefully you install everything. Our extension doesn't require any dependency on IronCube and all. But sometimes some customer of us install the VT Expert extension, and maybe at that time, our extension was not working, but we required some settings to do it, to have it work. So you can send an email to support@crmtiger.com when you need that help after you place an order on of the extension. Okay, so next question is like, it is possible to give some specific status to the group context so we can easily find all the group contact in one search. Yes, that is a good that is a good suggestion. So we can provide one more field to be update along with the group, so that is good to have it. Okay, so Chris, your question is, can you show how? Okay, okay, let me show you if that works or not. Just Okay, so this is the contact template. I have to first convert lead template leads, but I have to first convert to the contact. So let me, okay, just a second. Let me create a contact first. Or hold on, let me do one thing to with the WhatsApp template. So first, if you are sending a message to the leads, you have to create a lead template. Okay, so I have to select the module here called leads and select the first name, hello. I save it. Now let me go to the more, select the lead template, and let me send a message and see if it's replaced or not. Okay, so let me check in my mobile. Okay, you are right, Chris. It is not replaced, but actually it should replace the template from lead first name to actual name. Let me see if this name is its first name. Okay, so I think it should replace with the Rick, because we have the lead first name as an placeholder. But anyway, this has to be checked with our team, and we can see, but actually it should replace uh, the template with the actual value of the records. Okay, so next question. Okay, so Sarah, I'm come back to you, is like you mentioned like I show something like finish. So I think we can discuss separately, because maybe I'm not understand correctly about like what do you mean by the finished check, but I think yes, we can discuss separately about that things. Uh, okay, apart from that, can we do, okay, can we do this in WhatsApp business app in mobile directly? Okay, let me go step. Okay, pop-up notification for new message. Yes, that is also done. When do we delete a message? Right now, we do not have an option to delete a message, because there is some limitation which we found, but our technical team is still working on it. So when you delete a message, it's also delete from the customer's mobile. So that is something which we are working. Next is like question is like from Chris. Can we do this in WhatsApp business app in mobile directly? So, so Chris, you are referring, okay, so Chris, you are referring something where you need an option where the placeholder, right, which has been sent will replace with the actual value from the mobile. So, kind of okay, so you are talking is from the mobile apps which we have, like in the mobile apps we have a WhatsApp icon, and click on that where, okay, I understand your stop. So in a mobile apps we have a WhatsApp icon. Click on that, will replace with the first name and last name from the template. Yeah, this is something good suggestion. In mobile apps we also have that, but I think Chris, I will email through the support team to make sure like these two things about replacement of the placeholder is working or not, because definitely it should work, but in my instance it is not, so we have to check why. But yes, we have that implementation that it will replace with the actual value. Okay, sure, we will email you. Uh, anybody have any other question? So let us know if anybody has any other question. or something, your feedback, you can raise your hand so I can unmute you so we can talk directly. Yes, placeholder. So whoever wants to talk, just raise your hand, I can unmute, or you can message me on a question so I can reply over there as well. Okay, so Sarah, you are talking about the pop-up notification. I think this is not in, yeah, I'm not sure what you are referring. We can take a separate call, Sarah, for this. So we can discuss a lot on that things to understand like what's you are referring for the pop-up notification. Okay, yeah, we told you many. Okay, so I'm new to your system. Can you show how the function of saving customers contact in WhatsApp to CRM works? I'm new to your system. Can you show how the function of saving customer contact in a WhatsApp to CRM? Okay, so basically this is how it works. Let me, yeah. So, okay, first of all, let me delete this contact. And so basically you can, yeah, basically you can create a contact from the unknown number. So let me see if this works or not. Okay, so now I'm sending one test message, considering I am the unknown number. Okay, so I'm sending a test message, say hello. So once I send a test message, say hello, it will, yeah, I send one test message. Okay, so I receive a text message. You will see the notification here. Abdul Madid. So your question is like, do we need a purchase WhatsApp number from MessageBird? Or Mary, no, you don't have to purchase the WhatsApp number from MessageBird. Actually, you can use your existing server. You can use your existing WhatsApp number to scan that WhatsApp number, and you can send and receive a message accordingly. Yeah, you can send a message accordingly, so you don't have to purchase any number. You can use any of your existing number to send receive a message accordingly. So basically this is the new updates from the extension. Can operation on the next question from David is like, so the next question is like, can operation on message be scheduled with workflow? Yes, message is scheduled from, okay, definitely, Abdul Samad will definitely send you the presentation of it post this conversation. We'll send you the link about it. The David, your next question is, can operation on message be scheduled with workflow? Yes, because we have the integration of the work with the workflow as well. So basically, in the workflow here, you can set you can You can choose a schedule workflow as well, right? And here there is action, right? So based on the action, it will send a WhatsApp message through workflow. So we have that option. Let me see next question. Apologies. Okay. I need to do vTiger on premise instead. Do I need a public IP address or just my machine need to connect it to them? Okay. So basically, if your instance is in your local network, then you have to have whitelist our IP, because we are sending a web hook to your server. So your server has to be at least whitelist your local IP to our IP. Then you can use your CRM into the local IP. That's fine, but at least you have to allow to send the mass request from our IP to your IP. So yes, probably you require to have this your public IP to be your public IP to be your IP to be public. Okay, any other question? Yes, static public. It should be a static public IP. So I think Sarah, we are upgrading this on the um, tomorrow or a Friday with this new version, uh, with the latest update which we had. Okay, so next is, what about the integration of other social media such as Instagram or Facebook? So basically right now we did not started working on the Instagram and Facebook, but yes, for Facebook, soon we will going to release the extension for the Facebook ads integration with the leads. It means any leads which you receive in a Facebook will copy to your CRM. So hope you enjoy this webinar, and apologies for some challenge which we see in the demonstration. Definitely in our extension it's work, but the demo we are showing you, maybe there is a many settings which is not done properly or something. But definitely if you are interested, we will schedule a one-to-one demonstration of this extension, so you will see what other features and function which we have, and you will see how powerful this extension is and how it will be used for a business. Okay, everyone, thank you for your time. Yes, Abdul Samad, we'll definitely have a one-to-one conversation for that, and we will definitely schedule the meeting with you guys. Okay, so that's it from our end. We will keep you posted about when we will going to release this extension and updates of this extension. This extension is already been available. So thank you again for your time, and we'll keep you posted. Okay, I'm just ending this webinar then.